Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kayle and I do a lot of cleaning motivation videos. Today's video I'm doing kind of like my updated morning routine and skincare type stuff. So today I'm going to be starting off with my coffee. Like always, I always have to start out my day with coffee, and I actually have so many DMs and questions about how I make my coffee, like when I post photos on Instagram. So these are the ingredients that I go ahead and use, and it's basically just creamer, whipped cream, sometimes caramel. And today's video is actually sponsored by Tao Clean, and I cannot wait to show you guys what this device is. It is so amazing, and it's actually 62% off with my code and stuff. So I'm gonna leave everything down below and then kind of give you guys my thoughts and opinions about it later on in the video. And I hope you get a bunch of motivation from today's video as well and get things done in the morning, because this has motivated me so much to get like a bajillion other things done during the day. And it just feels so good to be like, okay, the house is clean, now I can go run my errands type of thing. And it's just, when you come home to a clean house, it's like, ugh, I don't know, it's just such a good feeling. So I hope you guys love it, and if you have any questions, please leave them down below and I will get back to you. So since I just made my coffee, I'm just going to start with the kitchen while I'm down here by cleaning up all the trash off the island and putting things that I bought at like the grocery store and stuff away. And then I'll be wiping down all the counters, the dishes, the whole 9 yards, sweeping and mopping later in the video, but mostly just picking up everything before I go upstairs. So usually in the morning I don't deep clean my stovetop or anything like that, but since I already had everything out and it wasn't as dirty as usual, like if I make spaghetti or something, I decided just to wipe it down really quickly. So typically during my nighttime routine, I'll go ahead and put as many dishes in the dishwasher as possible that are dirty, and usually I'll just unload it in the morning and then start a new one. usually at this point move upstairs. After majority of the things are done downstairs, I'll go ahead and make the bed, because if it's not made, I will jump right back in if I get like sleepy or something. So I'm going to make the bed really quickly, pick up the floor, whatnot. I'm not vacuuming in this video. I know a lot of people love my vacuum lines, but I'm not doing it today's video because realistically I don't vacuum during my morning routine. I usually do that at night.
Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that
So moving on to the bathroom, I'm just picking up things off the floor, off the counter. I do a quick wipe down. Usually I do this at night, but the night prior I actually didn't do it. So I'm going to do that really quickly and then go ahead and start with my skincare.
to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you.
So now I'm finally going to go ahead and talk about this Tao Clean face brush that I've been using for over a month now. I'm so obsessed. I usually use my Clarisonic brush, and this one, I'm sorry, but I'm going to say I think it works way better. The way that the bristles and everything move around, it just feels like such more of like a deeper clean. I do have sensitive skin, so you just kind of have to feel for it to how to use it and how many times you should use it for your own skin type, because everyone's skin type is different. Now during these times, obviously everything is super stressful, but you cannot let yourself go. You have to keep up with your skincare. You know, a lot of people are working out more and taking care of themselves, getting back on a good diet and whatnot, and really taking care of your skin is going to make you feel so much better when you have clear skin. And if you're not wearing any makeup at all, taking care of your skin and just seeing your complexion just get better over time is just going to make you feel so much better, even if you're at home. The unique design paired with the heat from the UVC rays helps dry the brush head so it's ready to go for your next use. So after you cleanse your face, you're just going to rinse off the brush and then you're going to dock it, and it's going to automatically dry because of the heat from the rays, and it's also going to kill the bacteria, which is seriously amazing. Now this brush has like an orbital spinning motion combined with the soft bristles and whatnot. It's going to clean your pores more thoroughly. It's going to get rid of the dirt, the dead skin. So for me, I use the daily care brush head every single day, and then I use the exfoliating one once a week because I do have sensitive skin. They do have a sensitive brush head available, but it's not included in the box, so you have to purchase that separately. And I'm going to tell you, the exfoliating brush head does work. Reason being why I only use it once a week. I know this brush head is going to last literally forever because of how well it works. You're going to see the dead skin. You're going to feel it when you rinse your face, and it feels really good. My skin feels so clean and so fresh every time I use it. And what's cool is that this brush was actually featured on the Today Show, which is literally everything, and there's so many 5-star reviews over it. You definitely can check it out. Check out the website. I'm gonna leave everything down below in the description box. So don't forget to check out the Tao Clean Orbital Face Brush, and you can use my my link in the description box and use my code SimplyKayle to save 62% off. Usually it retails around like $149, but with my discount code, you can get it for $50 some, which is an amazing price. And it's a lot more affordable than the Clarisonic, and personally to me, I feel like it cleans a lot better than that one. And I've been using my Clarisonic for a few years. If not, I think it's between 3 and 4 years. So if you're looking for a really good quality face brush to use on a daily basis and one that exfoliates really well, I definitely recommend it. And it keeps the bacteria at bay and gives you clear glowing skin. So you must check out this brush. I cannot stress you enough how effective it is. Tao Clean will come to your rescue in these times of need. And you can use my link in the description box and use my code SimplyKayle to save 62% off. Alright, so now moving back downstairs, I'm going to go ahead and just clean out the sink really quickly and then finish up with like sweeping and mopping, and I cannot wait to show you guys my new rugs. I'm freaking obsessed. I did end up getting a rug that goes underneath this dining table, but it came literally the day after I filmed this, so you'll have to wait until the next video to see it. I love it so much.
He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the battleship. So come to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another closet we can fly with the baseline. I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you.
Okay, so this area was already clean because I did clean it yesterday during like my nighttime cleaning routine. But I did want to show off the new rug, okay, because I'm very proud of the rug that I picked out. It took me forever to find the perfect rug. I just love it so much. It was, I believe, $150 for an 8x10. It could have been a little bit cheaper on Wayfair, but I will leave the link down below if you guys want to check it out. Super nice. And they do have different colors. I did get the one in ivory. Also, if you guys have been following along on my Instagram, this is all of Dixie's stuff that I have so far, and then just waiting for her crate. So yeah, I got a bunch of stuff, and then this is the food that she's eating right now, so I'm super excited. She turned 1 month old this past weekend, so she's on her way. I absolutely love this rug so much. What do you guys think? I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description box for this. I believe it was like 25 bucks, $27 or something like that. And I'm pretty sure the dimensions are 2.5 feet to 6 feet long. I'm not sure, but I love it. So it has different sizes that you guys can choose from, and I highly, highly recommend it. Alright y'all, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope that you got a bunch of motivation and just some inspiration of what to do for maybe your new cleaning routine that you want to pick up on. Make sure that you check out Tao Clean, and if you do, please leave a comment down below or message me on Instagram and we can talk about it, and I really want to know your experience with it. So I will see y'all in next week's video. I love you guys so much. Bye!